Sweet pepper is very good for soups and salads, but what does it take to produce them in the farm? First of all, sweet pepper is started from seeds. The seeds have a problem when it comes to germination, so it is advisable that you do a hot water treatment to have a higher germination percentage. Also, the seeds take very long time to grow. This is particularly when the soil temperature is low. Therefore, you need to start them in areas where the soil temperature is high, for example in a greenhouse, or you can start them in a heated hotbed. The seedlings, when transplanting, they require a substantial amount of spacing, and we advocate for 40 to 50 centimeters so that each plant can get enough space to occupy and produce, so that they don't compete for space and eventually the nutrients. Watering is important, and in our case we've used drip irrigation system where we have minimal losses, and either choose to prune the seedlings or not. One thing about pruning is when you prune the seedlings, you'll get a high amount of harvest, but on the other hand, it will take much longer to start producing. But when you don't prune, the number of fruits will be low, but the time it takes to start fruiting will be minimally reduced. At planting, I advocate for a complete fertilizer, NPK, so that you get to have a proper root system to absorb water and other nutrients, and as well to have a dense amount of foliage to provide food for the plant through photosynthesis. And then now you need to top dress your plant at least twice before it starts to fruit. The main pest challenge, especially at seedling stage, are cutworms that tend to cut the seedlings at the ground level. You can drench your seedlings with a starter solution at 10 days so that you control the same, and also you can use respective pesticides. Otherwise, you can also intercrop your plant with mints to repel the various pests that affect the plant. It's also important to control the diseases. Otherwise, until the next video, I encourage you to like, subscribe, share and comment. Ciao and keep growing.